Hello and welcome to the Client Mobile App Overview. In this video, we'll show you everything that you can do inside the TaxDome client app, brought to you by Digisist. I'm Chris, President and Bookkeeping Maestro of Digisist. The TaxDome client app allows you to do everything you can achieve on your browser and more. You can easily scan, upload, and view documents, exchange messages with your bookkeeper, sign contracts and documents, as well as fill out organizers. We'll go through all the app's functionalities one by one. Once you install the TaxDome client app from the Google Play Store or the Apple iOS Store, you'll need to log in and set up a PIN code, which you'll need every time you open the app. After confirming your PIN, we'll ask you to allow biometric authentication. This way, you can opt for the convenience of using your Face ID or fingerprint instead of entering a 4-digit passcode when logging in. In this case, tap Turn On. Otherwise, tap Maybe Later. If you have multiple accounts, the app will ask you to select one when you log in. Once logged in, you'll see the onboarding tips. If you tap on your profile picture, you will be able to switch between accounts, see your available credits, as well as any outstanding balance. And guess what? You can even access the security settings. Inside of there, you'll have the option to set up the two-factor authentication, switch on or off the Face ID login, as well as change your passcode. At the top of your home screen, you will find links to perform quick actions, such as uploading documents, notifying your firm that you're done uploading documents, or you can even book an appointment with the firm. In the Waiting for Action section, you will see an organized list of all activities that your firm is waiting for you to complete, such as unpaid invoices, unseen messages, and pending organizers. And documents. All the above. You'll get notifications from the firm via push alert whenever a new event like this occurs. Notifications are divided into 5 sections: billing, documents, chats, organizers, and engagement letters. If you tap on any of these items, you will be redirected to the relevant page. You will find a question mark in the top right corner that displays relevant help articles specific to where you are in the app. They really have thought of everything. Now let's navigate through the main menu. We'll start with the Documents page. From here, we'll be able to manage, view, e-sign, approve, as well as upload documents. You will first find the Recent tab, where all the recent documents uploaded by you or your bookkeeper will be displayed. If you tap on the Folders tab, you will find all the documents as well as their folders. And finally, under the Trash tab, you will see all of the deleted files. It's really smart to long tap items. This way you can easily access action menus for each document or folder. You have different options for uploading documents as well. You can either use the document scanner, which will convert your photos into PDFs, or upload documents from your device. All documents that require approval or signature will appear under the Waiting for Action section. If the approval was requested for a document that was locked by a bill, you must settle that bill first before accessing the document. To sign a document, tap the Begin Signing button to highlight the field that needs to be signed. Once all fields are filled, you'll be able to tap Finish. Let's take a look at the Chats page. Here you'll find all the chat threads you have with your bookkeeper. It is fully secure and all within the app or portal website. Unread messages will be displayed at the top in the Waiting for Action section. To read and answer, tap on any of them. If a document is requested, you can upload it directly to the thread by clicking on the plus icon and selecting the upload option that you prefer. This document will be found in the folder that you selected while uploading and in the Attached tab of the thread. Your bookkeeper might assign tasks for you inside a message thread. They look like a to-do checklist. Once a task is completed, either you or your bookkeeper checks it off, and it will be sent as a message in the chat thread. And finally, if you want to message your firm, click on the Message Firm button. Fill in a subject line and then type your message. You can format the text, attach docs, or even embed a video. Now let's drive through the billing page. All your pending invoices, one-time or recurring, will be found in the Waiting for Action section. The red number on the right indicates the amount of unpaid and overdue invoices. Below, you will find a section divided into 3 categories: invoices, where you will find your paid invoices, and the recurring tab, which lists active, pending, and overdue recurring invoices. Finally, in the Payments tab, you'll see a history of all payments processed, failed, and even returned, all done within your account. If you want to pay all the invoices at once, tap the Pay All button. If you have available credits, they will be deducted from the invoice amount. You can also tap on each unpaid invoice to review payment details, download them, or even print. If you prefer to pay individually, go ahead and tap on an individual invoice where you'll be able to click Pay. Select your payment method, enter your details, and proceed. Now let's take a look at the More tab. Within More, you will find the organizers, proposals, and engagement letters that your bookkeeper has sent you. The proposals or engagement letters and all the firm's details are right in one place. If you have any pending organizer to fill out or a proposal to accept, you will see a red dot on the respective button. Tap on it and you'll be taken right to the Requested tab. Pending elements will be displayed in the Waiting for Action section, and below that, a history of organizers or proposals will be displayed, including signed or completed files. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please learn more by visiting our Help Center, located at help.digisist.com today.